Yeah. To know about the shortcuts is the very major thing while doing in the Revit. So always familiar with the shortcuts. How to create a custom shortcuts? Just type the keyboard shortcut. That is the short form of KS, keyboard shortcut. And you may open up with the keyboard shortcuts. Here, all the already assigned keyboard shortcuts you can able to you don't need to remember anything with for except any of the repeatable drafting like a wall for wall WA or trim for TR. Those kind of small things you can able to remember. But other than that, if you while working with a project, you may familiar with the keyboard shortcut. No need to worry about the keyboard shortcuts and all. If you have any doubts, what's the keyboard shortcut for this? You just type KS and you may know. I want to know about the keyboard shortcut for wall. Let me try wall. Here wall is WA. Keyboard shortcut for wall is WA. For a trim, we have TRAM. Trim extent TR is the T keyboard shortcut for the trim. For the align, I'm typing in here in search. I want to see align. And I want to create a new keyboard shortcut for join geometry. Here there is no keyboard shortcut. So I am pressing join geometry and I am pressing JJ here. Press new key. Join geometry for my you may ask why JG, why you are putting it's our wish. For me, JJ is my favorite join geometry shortcut. I will always use the JJ for join geometry and I am press assigned. Hereafter, while I pressing JJ, my joint geometry will load. You may ask what is joint geometry? Here the two types of walls. Here no issue. And you may see like this. It is 2, 3 hours and I'm pressing JJ. Now my keyboard shortcut is working. I am joining this both. See, it will automatically join the elements. Okay. So you may see what I have did. I have clicked the wall and you can see a blue ball here and I right click it and here there is a list of elements is there. So here you can do disallow or join or allow join. Will ask what is a disallow join and allow join. Like if you want to know about disallow and join, you can see there is one T kind of option. It is the allow join. If you click here, it will ask allow join, but here it will ask disallow join because I disallowed this one. Okay, let me draw another wall. You can know here. I'm drawing this wall. It was automatically joined, but if I did that disallow join, it will be look like this. And you can ask why I have to disallow join. It is look like fine only right now. The way I have to disallow join. See, it is basically not for this kind of scenarios. This you are going to follow as it is. But maybe in complex situation, you need to show the wall or any of the elements like this. This plaster has to become here and this plaster like this. It will be in that case, if it was allow join means it is in this way. It was working like this, right? Like I not want to be like this kind of graphics to be involved so that I can do the disallow join and I can click that wall and I can bring it down here. Like that I can do the joining purpose of only I just wanted to suggest what is the join geometry. Join geometry basically to join not only the walls but also with other elements. Like, wait, let me draw one floor. This is the floor. You guys know, I think so. Wait, I can go to architectural tab and I can go to floor. Here they may ask you floor, slabs, slab edges. Slab edges is nothing but at the edges of the floor, there may be we can able to provide some kind of curve kind of things. So I'm going to floor and I'm clicking architectural and I'm going to take these kind of drawing patterns we can able to use. This is a simple line. You can able to draw a line. This I'm drawing an outer boundary of a floor. So we can use the rectangle to create a rectangle and other things and all. It's same only. Circular and uh, polygons or hexagon. This one is start and arc. Like can click here start and you can click here end and you can adjust the radius like this. You may want this kind of thing also in the future. And this will be the center and arc. You can press start and you can drag it further to the end. It will always come up with the center of the circle and then it will ask how much of the circle you want. Only the half or only the full or you want full kind of it will ask. So I'm going to semicircle. This will be the tangent of these and all you are not going to use. So similarly, so this fillet arc maybe you can use like fillet arc is to make this rectangle curve curve. Let me try the fillet it. I'm picking this one and this one. See, it will automatically give a curve kind of edges, not a sharp edges. Wherever you want, you can give a curve kind of edges. And this one is a spline, like you can draw wherever you want and you can go like this. It's always with the points. And it is difficult to join at the ends. So try to give the last one by the thin line, only line. Then only it will get joined. Only a full loop will create a flow, not a single line like this, not a arch like this. If you click OK, it won't allow. So it will ask, this is open-ended, this is open-ended. So you have to fill that like a box or whatever shape. You have to fill it into a closed loop. Like it is a closed loop. This is a closed loop. Then only the floor will come. Okay. So then we see plus OK. Now the floor has been created. You can create custom kind of flows, like custom shape, whatever shape you can able to create, you can create this in the flow. So why we are here? We are here to create the joint geometry. So the same floor I will copying and pasting. Yesterday we have seen about the copying and pasting. So like the same thing, there is two kind of copy. Yesterday I have clearly informed. So here we are doing this copy and then pasting here using the selected levels. I want to paste it into the above floor. Where is the selected views? Selected levels. Align to the selected levels. This is what I was searching for. And I'm clicking the first floor. Pasted it. So there will be two floors. One is this one will be in ground floor level and another floor will be in first floor level. Let us check in 3D. I am clicking the 3D here. So here you can see first ground floor and the first floor. So why these walls are going up? You need to bring that down. There is no issue. You can simply take any of the view and you can flip it, and you can drag, can select the walls visible in there, and you can adjust the base constraint. Base constraint is this. The noise is top constraint. It's unconnected. That's why it was going beyond. Unconnected height is 8,000, but the level height you can see it is 4,000 only. So either you can change into 4,000, the wall may be came down, see, or else you can change the level into level 1. Automatically it will come at 4,000. If you click the unconnected and if you press the 4,500, it will give an offset. And if you click the level 1, it will automatically change it into the 4,000. So you may have an idea now about the base constraints and the top constraint. Now I have given the top constraint to the level 1, but I want this wall to be extended further. Like 100 mm, I want to be extended. What can I do? Give a top offset about 200. Now it will give an top offset of the walls above the level. So why we have to use this kind of walls? Like you may completed the floor with the roof level, and you may want one small projection above also. On the time you can proceed. And always try to remember, don't try to do like this kind of walls. Always try to create a new wall or copy paste it from the ground floor to first level. Always try to make level to level, whatever the element. It will be helpful and you can able to select from the levels itself. Like if you want to select until the ground floor to first floor, you can select also. But why we want to do like level to level means in schedule and quantities, we are going to see further in next upcoming section. Schedule and quantities, we can able to generate or get schedule from level 0 to level 1. How many walls is there? Like kind of schedule I am going to create. I want to know if you extended this wall to above the first floor, you can't able to get level 1 floors separately. You will get the same level 0 floor above also. So it will have some confusion while doing the schedules, and also in lots of area also you may face issues. One of the project also I may face issues with the walls which was not level to level. We have edited above the levels also, so that you can that will give a headache. Always try to give level to level, not only the walls, also the column. So why we copied this one and why we did like to do the joint geometry? See, here it was showing as clashes, right? The wall is clashing with our floor. I just wanted to make nicer. Like if I press JJ, where I created a keyboard shortcut earlier, now JJ, joint geometry has came. I'm pressing the wall and I'm pressing the floor. See, that wall got joined automatically. This wall also we can try. This wall also. So no need to click this wall and the wall floor again. Let me try multiple join. I'm pressing JJ and here I'm pressing multiple join. I'm pressing the floor and I want to join this wall all at one time. Okay. Now the wall is not get flashing up from the above side, but also the wall was automatically get cuts wherever the floor is turning. It's look nicer, right? Comparing to the previous one. It will be sharp and look are nice. So this is the purpose of joint geometry. Okay, joint geometry. The keyboard shortcut we created is JJ. It was visible now, JJ. And I want to cut this one. You can click the cut. We can't able to cut it because cut geometry, cut is different and join is different. Cut means it will showcase only the cut elements. Like you may place one door and you want to cut like that, then only it will cut. But here you can uncut geometry step. If you click that, the small arrow next to the cut. Here, uncut geometry is there, and also the join geometry is unjoined geometry also there. Either you can able to unjoin the elements where you have joined earlier, and you can change like see, it was fully unjoined, and also you can swap the. I want walls has to be came up, and the floor has to be changed. Means also you can swap the join order. See, now the floor is getting cut and wall is coming up. That is a switch order change. So this is the one. You can use this kind of cut geometry or join geometry. And let me try cut geometry one. Wait, fine. Now you can see I have created a two walls. One is here and one is here. The door is here. I want to cut this wall also. Using there is two different ways to cut it. Using a wall opening, you can cut it, or using a void, you can cut it, or using a edit type also. Maybe it's free type, or using a edit type also, you can cut it. So it's based on your process of way of working. It's like if we want to cut this wall, you can create a wall opening, which will be showcasing above. You click this wall, and here the wall opening is here, and you click that wall opening, click this wall where you want to start the cut. Here, from here to here, I want to cut. Automatically, it will get cuts. Check in 3D. See, the wall is cut, but it is above the door and also the mid of the door. I want to bring it down, and you may need to align like this. You can try align it, A, L, align it, and then fixing this face, any other face, and the face is fixed, align it, fine. Now it got aligned. Also, you can align the sliders also. Go to this one, click this one, align this, click this one, and align this. Mm, Let me align it again, click and align. That's so this is one type, creating a wall opening. This is the wall opening purpose. Or else you may have a bedroom and a kitchen kind of thing. Or for kitchen, most probably they will give wall openings. Here they can give the wall opening, click and wall opening, and you can adjust the safety. Kind of you can able to provide the wall openings. And I'm deleting this wall opening now to showcase other possibilities. Now I can able to edit this one. I'm going to open it 3D, click in front in the cube, and I can edit the profile. See, wall edit profile. Let me highlight only these two walls and two. I want see here lots of elements is there. I want this wall, and this door only to be visible. I have selected only those elements. Now I have to press HI. This is hide and isolate. Only the selected element will be visible. Everything will be temporarily hidden. Temporarily hidden. Okay, it is not. If you want to bring back temporarily hidden, HR is a shortcut. Now I am leaving as it is, and I am going to 3D view again, and I am giving the front. Here I am going to edit profile of the wall, and I can give a cut for a door like here to here, and it was showing some highlighted line overlap. Of course, it will show because this line has been highlighting with this line. So I'm deleting the small line, deleted, split it. Yes, L for the split. I am splitting this line into two, and I'm pressing trim T or trim, click this one and this one, click this one and this one, and press finish. This is the second type, giving a wall opening. Okay, and I am resetting this one in the older one. There is another way of cutting a wall, which will be using the void. Guys, try to join the same meeting link again in next 10 minutes. Here I can press create file architectural roof. Now using the cut geometry, right? Using the cut geometry, I have to create one cut opening here. For that, I'm going to architectural tab, going to the component, model in place, going to the generic model, void, and then I'm mentioning it as void, creating a void form, void expression. We'll see further about the model in place in upcoming class. Okay, I'm just here to showcase how to do the cut geometry. Now it got cutted, but I have to check in 3D. See, this is the cube we have created. Okay, and using the void form in 2D level 0, I have created one void like this and doing void expression, and I press the rectangle one and I drawed one rectangle void. So in 3D, it may look like this. Okay, so here I can adjust this one and right here. Now the cut geometry thing will work. Go to cut geometry, with the void and this wall. So it will cut like this. And we can able to adjust that one. Using align also you can do it, or we can use it as champion. So this is how the three types of doing a wall cut are. This void thing, you can cut anything you want in your model, not only this wall. You can also cut the door also into half, or maybe let us try it, and let me cut the door. No, it is not getting cut because the door is separate family. Okay, see, it will showcase as the edit family. So you have to go to edit family to cut a door kind of thing. And then here you have to create one void, and then you can cut the door. But this one is also the edit family kind of thing. You can't able to cut it. Let's try here. With family. If the door is that you can insert the same door there again, load into project one. It will ask to overwrite the existing and overwrite its parameter value. This is two different things, like overwrite existing version and parameter version. What is this? We have to learn about that one. In reference view, you may see lots of constraints. These are all known as the constraints in a family. We'll see in depth about how to create a family. Okay, it will take one full class to create one family. You guys have to understand those things properly and try to be attentive, not through the recorded class. You can't able to understand clearly while doing the family. So try to available in live classes itself so that you can able to understand or get any, if you guys get out also you can able to raise immediately. So family is this one bunch of thing, a door having handles and the switch and the door frames, everything in it. And in reference level, means ground floor level, it will have lots of constraints. Why these many constraints is there? It's nothing but if you change the door width or height, everything has to be changed. Like if you change the width into 2000, see, the edges corner has to be also changed. The door center has to be remain as the center. Everything has to be perfectly changed. In 3D also the same scenario should happen. See, door handle should not be here itself, or the seat should not be somewhere here, and only the door frame has to be. It should not be like that. If you change into any shape, any sizes, rough, if you can try 4000 also. 4000. This is 40,000. Let us try 40,000. 40, 40 also you can try 40,000. Funding cut. Okay. If 40,000 go. You give a 40,000 also, the frames, mullions will be extended like that. And the handles has to be placed at the center of the door. See, that is the fully parametric family. If you change one thing, everything should act, not only the single thing. So now you can load into project and load into project close. You can try load into project and close. Means you can close this project, door family project, and you can import this edited door family to the project. And we are importing it, and you can say save this family into separate area. No, I don't want to save it. It will ask now. Override with the existing version. Override with the existing version with the parametric value. Now we have edited that door into 40,000, right? So whether we want that 40,000 should be reflected here, definitely not. I leave it as it is. Just insert the door family of edited one. The edited door family is visible here with the available cut. Fine. So this is how the voids work and joint geometry work. Cut just cut geometry void. everything will be work like that only. So far, do you guys having any other doubts? Means let me know so we can proceed. Also, if the class feels bored or the class feels anything subject to irrelevant, let me know so that we can fix it. Try to interact with the chat box, so that I can also be in touch with you guys. If you guys having any doubt. Yeah, there are different kinds of walls: curtain wall, basic wall, and stacked walls. So far, in most of the project, will be using basic walls only, but very rarely it depends upon the shapes of the wall. The retaining wall means the boundary wall having foundation itself. Those wall will be considered as the stack wall. Like if you click one wall type, it will showcase as basic wall here. This is the basic wall. This is the curtain wall, which will be using for the glass wall, like storefront walls, like